YouTube, this is YouTube Mr. Apple 2121. Welcome to today's episode of How to Download and Install a Game. Today we're downloading Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Now this is one of another Harry Potter games, as you all notice. Now I'm going to start to download it. I'm starting to upload some videos right now. Don't want these three because they'll get my computer a virus. Oh, what the? Torrent? We still have you, torrent. Oh, great. You torrent. I have to put this on uTorrent. I'm sorry, guys. uTorrent.com. uTorrent. Sorry. This if I still have it. Yeah, I still have it. I guess I did not uninstall it right away. Okay. Oh my god, I think that's the setup. Really? It decides not to respond to me. Now it's gonna cooperate. Agree. Desk to desktop. Add an exception for Windows Firewall. No, thank you. I don't want downloads from uTorrent. Decline. And decline. Alright. Now that I have this open, now let's open with open file. What's this? Alright, now it's going to put into download mode. I'll pause the video here. And I'll see you guys whenever it's done. So, see you guys later. And how to download and install a game. Alright. Now, as you can see, I have just finished downloading the file. Now I'm going to extract the files for it. And send us my downloads.
Who sent it? No one knows.
Actually, that's the excerpt of Harry Potter and Prisoner of Azkaban. That's why I'm not going to show because I don't want to get a copyright strike. think you need to install this game. Wait, no you don't. Launch it, is it?
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Well, as you can tell, installation is not required for this game. Well, most required games. This game is not required. Okay, that is it. This game is... This installation for this game is not required. Stop tickling me. That is not funny. No! I don't want to wear this. This is dirty.
أنا طلعت لك يا نظيفة.
ماما وسخنا.
وين وسخها؟
أنا وين وسخ إياه.
وين في صندوق هون.
ما بشوفي.
سويت ما في شيء.
نظفتي؟
إيه نظفته.
Why is Mama like this?
والله.
Oh my God, Mama.
Oh my God.
Stop it!
ما قصرت بس وبقول كبر زبالة.
Rude. And I guess that's it for today's episode. So it was that funny moment. We'll see you next time on another episode of How to Download and Install a Game. Bye bye.